Hello and welcome to StratIQ News, your trusted source for development in data analytics, artificial intelligence, and digital transformation across Africa. Today's headline: Honorable Samuel George calls for digital sovereignty at the 4th African Regional Inter-Parliamentary Conference 2026. One of the strongest messages emerging from the conference came from Ghana's Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, Honorable Samuel George, who declared that Africa must take control of its digital future and ensure that Africa data remains within Africa. The minister argued that African countries can no longer afford to generate massive amounts of citizen and business data only for information to be stored and processed predominantly outside the continent. He called for an increased investment in local data centers and stronger digital infrastructure to support data sovereignty across Africa.
Now, the problem here is AI is driven by data. Artificial intelligence is only as good as the data that it generates. 80% of African personalized data is processed outside the continent. And that's why, as Minister for Communication, we've given an instruction that every data that is hosted or that involves Ghanaian national data must be hosted locally, and we've put a ban and a stop to hosting of our national data outside in data centers outside of our country. We will host our own data in our own country.
Another key area of focus was artificial intelligence. Honorable Sam George emphasized that AI developed for Africa must understand African realities, including local languages. Ghana's AI agenda includes efforts to build data sets and language models capable of supporting local languages such as Twi, Fante, Ewe, and Ga, ensuring that the benefits of AI extends beyond English-speaking population.
Ghana cannot continue to build AI innovation on the back of Western models. We want to own our own models and build our own models. And the good thing is we're not doing this just for Ghana. We're doing this for Africa. We're building an AI compute center that will serve the entire African continent. And so, working with our universities, we're building national language models. We're building in 7 key Ghanaian languages. And then we're also building in African languages. We're building in Creole, we're building in Swahili, we're building in Hausa, in Yoruba, because we want to be able to share what we build from Ghana with the rest of Africa, because we must own our own compute infrastructure.
The minister also challenged African governments to move beyond being consumers of technology and instead become creators of technology. He called for an investment in AI research, innovation, skill development, and local digital ecosystem capable of competing globally. Perhaps the most debated aspect of his submission was the assertion that data should be viewed as a strategic economic resource. The position has reignited discussions around data localization, cloud computing, digital trade, and whether African nations should require more citizen and government data to be hosted within the continent. As Africa accelerates its digital transformation journey, the question raised at this conference may shape the continent's approach to data governance, AI development, cybersecurity, and digital sovereignty for years to come. This has been StratIQ News. Stay informed, stay analytical, stay ahead. My name is John Kingsford. Thank you.